am not a prize to be won. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, well, you should learn to control your temper. By the way, thank you for saving my life. I'm wishing for the one I love. I am Merida, firstborn descendant of Clan Dornbrook, and I'll be shooting for my own hand. I am Moana of Motunui. You will board my boat, sail across the sea, and restore the heart of Te Fiti. Hey, hey! Hey! See the line where the sky meet the sea. It calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. Oh, come on, Paul, you son of a... Ya, aku adalah Putri Vanellope Von Switch dari Sugar Rush. Wow, the spirit of Sisu. Raya, you are the guardian of the Dragon Gem. You are Sisu? Tuk Tuk? Where are you, Tuk Tuk? Tuk Tuk? Walking around on those... What do you call them? Oh, feet. Bing bong? Bing bong. Sadness? Yes, you can. Riley needs you. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Why? Did you ever see such a beautiful dress? Oh, lihatlah, sepatuku buduk. Now I really not supposed to speak to strangers, but we've met before. I know you. I walked with you once upon a dream. Eugene. Eugene, apakah aku terlihat sedang bergumam, Ibu? Just don't freak out. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is new. My daddy never did get what he wanted, but he had what he needed. He had love. He never lost sight of what was really important. Alright. Almost there. You know, almost there. Come on, almost. You've kind of said of an eternal winter everywhere. Everywhere? It's okay, you can just unfreeze it. No, I can. I don't know how. Sure you can. I know you can. 'Cause for the first time in forever, I'm such a fool, I can be free. No escape from the storm inside of me. I can control the course. We reverse the storm. Wanna please you, only make it worse. Don't panic. There's so much fear. Make the sunshine. You're not safe here. We can face this thing together. We can change this swing the weather, and everything will be alright. Hola, casita. Morning, abuelo. I'm only part of the amazing Madrigals. Welcome to our family in Madrigals. Selamat datang para beban keluarga. Selamat datang para beban keluarga, beban keluarga. Welcome to our family in Madrigals. Adios.